There you go. That is Lakas, our white-bellied seagull with a scientific name of Heliacus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white and gaster meaning belly. That's why we call them the white-bellied sea eagle. Now, the white-bellied sea eagles are commonly found near the coastal area of Australia, India, and here in the Philippines. Now, the white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines. Their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So, ganyan po kalapad yung kanyang mga pangkap. Lalong-lalo na pag nasa adult size na, sila mas po. Palakpakan po natin sila Lakas, right? And now, let's meet our second raptor. Atin ang tatawagan ang napaka-cute na si Kali, our eastern grass owl. Ayan na siya, folks. Now, Kali. Ayan, come here na boy. Nandito na si Kuya Cyril. Ayan, okay, di muna natin si Kali. Guys, kung pa nagkakanda po si Kali. Ayan, Kali.
Naulaw.
Ayan, mukhang ready na si Kali, guys. There you go. That is Kali, our eastern grass owl, with the scientific name of Tytholopemembris amoronota, or also known as the buwagu. Male grass owl have lighter facial disc, while female grass owl have brownish facial disc. And did you know that they have tubular eyes? Meaning, diretso lang po yung kanilang paningin. They can look up, down, left, and right. Instead, they turn their neck 270 degrees. Fun fact about these raptors, they are the flyingest bird. When in flight, ibig sabihin, di po natin maririnig yung kanilang mga pasaspas kapag sila ay lumilipad. Palakpakan po natin si Kali, guys. And now, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors. But here in Davao Crocodile Park in Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors. Namely, the Brahminicae, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, and the grass owl. And that's all for our raptors po. Palakpakan po natin sila. And syempre, ang kanilang mga bogey kuya, na si Kuya Cyril and Kuya Michael po. Okay, now, moving on to our next animal ambassador. Pure black po ito. At alam ko nakikita niyo